Welcome back to another episode of Simple Build. This might just be the last hurrah with the RS. We got a little road trip to go check out what might be the new car. Super stoked, but we got about 4 hours, 2 hours tonight to Maryland, then 2 hours in the morning to Virginia. We'll see if the new car checks out. About 1 hour, didn't crash yet. See when we get there. Found these two dudes have been cruising together. Delaware's kind of cool. Thank you. We got the goods. All right, guys, we made it. Let's go get our room. Dude, it smells so bad in here. What is it? It smells like horrible body odor. Oh, this will be a fun sleep. Good morning. It was a terrible night's sleep. Here we go. 2 more hours to go. Here we go. And we're in some traffic. Look what we ran into. Almost quite literally. Oh, oh, we're about to hurt some ears.
If you delegate and you scale, like, you can still have personality.
And now there's a white Focus ST behind me. This Baltimore, I'm pretty sure I'm in Baltimore, Maryland right now. There's like so many ST and RS guys around here. Yeah, buddy. Just made it to Virginia. Got a little bit of traffic, and we got about 1 hour left. All right, we made it to the car dealership, and they got some pretty sweet cars here. Which one do you guys think it's gonna be? Let me show you a couple options. 370Z? I'll walk you down the line. Ooh, a Golf R, a Subi hatch. I've always wanted one of these. So sick. That's pretty much it. As far as the cool stuff, they got some other stuff back there. We got a Mustang. We got a Supra. Boom. Or this like canary red Porsche. What's it gonna be? What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think before I reveal the car. Well guys, this is officially the last time I will be seeing the Focus RS. But with that being said, we are going to be saying hello to the new car, a 2009 E90 BMW M3. So here's the RS replacement. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments what you think. So now we're gonna head home, but stay tuned because as soon as we get home, we have our first modification lined up. There's two BMWs hanging out. Pretty smooth drive so far. Things feeling pretty good. I'll tell you, there's nothing quite like the first fill up with a new car. Just get to look at it, take some photos, admire it, and be happy that it didn't break down yet. So things sweet, man. I like it a lot. Just filled up, cost about 50 bucks. Not bad. Hopefully no issues for the rest of the drive. Here we go. New car in mind, it's first date at none other than Chipotle. Doesn't get much better than this, to be honest. What's that? You're hungry? You want some? There you go. Eat up, Ricer. The last stretch, last 2 hours to go. It is the next day. We made it back safe, thankfully, and we are on the way to do the first modification for the car. Yeah, we gotta make this thing sound a little bit better, just temporarily. Come on a quick ride. We got an hour drive to the boys over at JCC Customs. See what this thing sounds like with a little extra help from a lack of mufflers or resonators. We'll see what they say. On the way over, just stopped at AutoZone. Met a subscriber. What's up, bro, if you've seen this. Picked up this Bluetooth wireless aux cable thing. Hopefully this allows me to, anyone else have this issue where this aux thing is just not fitting into that hole? Hopefully this can connect to my phone and we can listen to music through this. Boom, baby. Totally works. Definitely not Taylor Swift. Is it cool that you're in my head? Is it cool that I said all that? car's in, about to get ready to lift it up. And you guys just heard a before clip. We're gonna go under, we're gonna check it out. I'll show you guys what we're looking at. So we just took a look under the car, show you guys what we're looking at. Everything looks pretty decent and clean. Obviously the big muffler here has a giant whack in it. The diff is leaking a little bit, needs a pinion seal. I'll go through another list of maintenance stuff that I'm gonna need to do with you guys. This is probably what's gonna be getting removed. The rear resonators right here, we'll chop them before the clamps so we can still use these clamps. Chop it here, put a straight pipe straight through so it won't be too obnoxious. These are the secondary cats, primary cats right here. Everything looks pretty decent under here for the most part. We got a couple little bushings that need to get swapped out soon. But everything feels good, nice and solid. This getting some wear on here, 100,000 miles to be expected. There is a small power steering leak over here, but I knew about all this stuff when buying it. We got sway bar bushing that needs to get replaced probably pretty soon, both of those. But overall under here, everything looks pretty stinking good. So we're gonna get started and we're gonna chop off these two resonators right here and weld in a straight pipe, and you guys will see how it sounds. It's done. It's coming down. One thing we did notice that this bottom muffler is hanging down super low because the hangers on the muffler are completely shot. So we'll get that sorted later on. Give it a cold start. Car sounds a lot better. Probably do a full exhaust in the future, but for now, that'll hold me over. Shout out to the guys at JCC Custom for hooking it up, as always. Guys, if you need any exhaust work or minor automotive maintenance and repairs, come to JCC Custom. I'll leave their information down below in the description. Thanks again, boys. Gentlemen, thank you. Appreciate it.
Man. Anytime, man.
Hey, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, you as well. I'll catch you, bro.
Wash my hands.
It's all good. Car sounds pretty stinking good. Whoa! Brother, it chirped third. That's crazy. God, that sounds amazing. It's the next day. We're gonna get a cold start, get some better sound clips of the car, show you guys the interior, and talk about plans. Just died down from high idle, and that is how it sounds idling at a normal RPM. That is something I love about cars as of recent. Being able to open them up when I want, but also being able to quiet them down when I want. Right now I'm okay with the fact that a resonator delete doesn't add too much volume, but when I get it a little higher into the RPMs, it definitely opens it up and it sounds really good, and that's what I'm looking for in pretty much any daily that I want. Do a couple little minor flybys, show you guys how it sounds. So you guys heard what it sounds like. It obviously needs a couple different things as far as maintenance goes. We're gonna need to do the infamous rod bearings. Hi puppy, hello. Always down for a dog interruption. But yeah, the paint is not the best. It's got about 100,000 miles. We got it for a killer steel. It was well kept up on with service records from BMW. Obviously, as you can see, this one headlight's good. This other headlight needs to be restored or probably get a set of new headlights if they're not too expensive. I'm almost positive this is the Blue Water Metallic by BMW. It was repainted in a couple areas, but we're probably gonna end up wrapping this thing. Interior is in pretty mint condition. The leather is all good, no tears or rips. Everything works on the inside as it should. This is a 4.0 liter V8. Sounds super good, but I do want to get the maintenance taken care of before doing any kind of modifications. As far as the mods go, I'm not going to do too much to the engine, just kind of like I did with the Focus. Probably going to do a full wrap, try to get some new wheels and tires, new headlights, new front lip. Eventually I want to do a full exhaust, hopefully Valvetronic, so I can turn it on and off like I mentioned before. Gonna have to get it retinted, of course. This tint is absolutely terrible Walmart stuff. It was in a minor front end collision and that was repaired. I was kind of repaired crappily, so I'm gonna probably have to dig into that. Clean title, it was minor damage, just cosmetics, and it was repaired and repainted, but like I said, I'll have to tackle some of that stuff later on, clean it up a little bit, but for now it's a perfect daily. I know it was bittersweet because we got rid of the Focus for it, but I think it was a good trade. I'm excited about this car. I was ready for something German. I love BMWs. I've been really enjoying BMWs, Hondas, and Porsches lately. I know Porsche's out of the budget right now, but they are some of my favorite vehicles, Porsche, Honda, and BMW. Going forward, I kind of want to focus more so on those three manufacturers and see which ones I enjoy the most, see which ones I don't like, and document the progress on this channel. So thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you want to see on this car. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.